Our journey begins a few years back, in the era of Robert Mugabe. The military played a vital role in the political landscape, a role that has continued to evolve over the years. It was during this time that the seeds of today's power struggle were sown. In the aftermath of Mugabe's departure, Emmerson Mnangagwa assumed the mantle. His leadership, however, has been far from uncontested. The military, a crucial player in the country's politics, has been a key battlefield for this struggle. Fast forward to the current day, the rumour mills are abuzz with talk of Mnangagwa's sons being primed to take over. However, this proposition has been met with significant resistance from within the ranks of the military. In the midst of this brewing storm, one figure has emerged as a beacon of strength: Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. A military man to his core, Chiwenga's influence within the armed forces remains formidable. His strategic maneuvers have begun to shape the trajectory of this power struggle. As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, it seems the sons of Mnangagwa may face an uphill battle. Chiwenga's strength within the military, coupled with the resistance to a familial handover of power, could very well steer the course of Zimbabwe's military leadership in a different direction. In summary, the military leadership in Zimbabwe is at a crossroads, caught in a power struggle between the Mnangagwa family and Vice President Chiwenga. The resistance to the Mnangagwa sons taking over, coupled with Chiwenga's strength within the military, suggests a future that could diverge from the path some may have envisioned. This is a story that is still unfolding, a narrative that is being written with each passing day. Only time will tell how these forces will shape the future of Zimbabwe's military leadership. Stay tuned, for history is in the making.